This is the Thinkware ARC Dashcam, and the one I have here is the 2-channel one. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we get here. And this is what you're getting in the box. We got the main camera here, the rear camera, and then we also have the GPS. And here we have the 12-volt power cable. Here I have the rear camera cable, the micro USB goes on the rear camera here. And here we also got the trim tool and then extra mounting tape and some cable hiders here as well. And here I have the main camera, which looks pretty nice and sleek here. It's not one of those like thick dash cameras. And so both cameras are 2K, so front and rear do record in 2K, which is nice. At the top of the camera, that's the microphone. Take a look at the bottom, we have the DC in, GPS, and the rear camera inputs. And for any reason, once you go ahead and mount this on your windshield, you want to go ahead and take it off. Pretty much you're able to slide it off, and you can take the dash cam with you. And now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the camera so you can see some of the options here. And that's the cam.
Have a safe drive today.
And that's the message you're always going to hear whenever you turn on your car. So you're able to go ahead and lower the volume if you don't want to hear that. And on the side, we get the LED indicator that shows you that the camera is working, it's recording. On the left-hand side, we have the microphone on and off, and also manual recording, and Wi-Fi on and off. And then going here, this is the main menu. So here we're able to go to our file list. So we're going to be able to go ahead and see our videos here. And here we have a clip playing. It does play everything pretty fast, so there's really no delay. So if I go back and just click another random video here, it plays it right away, which is nice. So whenever you want to go ahead and review something, you can do it straight from here. And now we're going to go ahead to the settings. Here we have some of the camera settings and record settings. And then road safety. So we got safety driving alerts, safety cameras, and mobile speed zone. And then we also have the ADAS features and going under system settings. And also we have the LCD brightness here from dark, medium to high, and calibrate touchscreen, which I didn't need to do so here. At the front of the camera, we get this nice LED indicator here. And you're able to go ahead and turn that off if you don't want to go ahead and leave it on. So now let's go ahead and take a look at some daytime recordings and nighttime. The overall footage quality that's coming from this camera looks good. You're able to make out plates. One thing I wish this camera had was a built-in GPS. Usually I don't like sticking these extra things around my window. It just takes, there's like more cables and all that. So I just wish this was built in. It would have been much better. The main reason why I have a Thinkware Dashcam in my car is gonna give you those notifications on speed zones, which could save you from a ticket. So that's a big plus for this camera. Really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions about this camera here, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. And I'll see you on the next video.